Napoleon I Bonaparte, August 15, 1769, May 5, 1821. Napoleon III Bonaparte, Emperor of the French in 1804 to 1814 and 1818-15, military leader and statesman who laid the foundations of the modern French state. Oliver Cromwell, April 25th, 1599, September 3rd, 1658. Oliver Cromwell, English statesman, politician and military leader, commander, leader of the independence, leader of the English Revolution in 1643 to 1650, Lieutenant General of the Parliamentary Army. William Wallace, 1270, August 23rd, 1305, Scottish knight and military leader, leader of the Scots in the First War of Independence from England, guardian of Scotland from 1297 to 1298, honored in Scotland as a patriot and folk hero. Sir Thomas More, February 7th, 1478, July 6th, 1535. Sir Thomas More was an English lawyer, statesman, philosopher, and humanist writer, Lord Chancellor of England. Elizabeth Gonzaga, February 9th, 1471, January 28th, 1526. Elizabeth Gonzaga was Duchess of Urbino, wife of Guidobaldo da Montefeltro, sister of Francesco II Gonzaga, great-aunt of the poetess Vittoria Colonna. Christopher Columbus, October 31st, 1451, May 20th, 1506. Christopher Columbus is a famous Spanish navigator and cartographer of Italian origin, who in 1492 discovered the New World America for Europeans. Tycho Brahe, December 14th, 1546, October 24th, 1601. Tycho Brahe was a Danish astronomer, astrologer, and alchemist of the Renaissance. He was the first in Europe to make systematic and highly accurate astronomical observations, from which Kepler derived the laws of planetary motion. Marie de Guise, November 22nd, 1515, June 11th, 1560. Marie de Guise was Queen of Scots, wife of King James IV, and Regent of Scotland from 1554 to 1587-1560, also known as Mary of Lorraine. Matilda of Tuscany, 1046, July 24, 1115. Matilda of Tuscany, also Matilda of Canossa, sometimes Grand Countess, Margravine of Tuscany. She was a supporter of Pope Gregory VII during the struggle for investiture and a fierce opponent of Emperor Henry IV. George Villiers, August 28, 1592. August 23, 1628. George Villiers, 1st Duke of Buckingham, was an English statesman, favorite and first minister of kings, James I and Charles I of the Stuarts. Antonio Vivaldi, March 4, 1678, July 28, 1741. Antonio Vivaldi was a Venetian composer and violin virtuoso, teacher, conductor, and Catholic priest. He left a huge and diverse compositional legacy: operas, oratorios, instrumental and chamber music. Henrietta Maria of France, November 25, 1609, September 10, 1669. Henrietta Maria of France was the youngest daughter of King Henry IV of France, Queen of England, Scotland, and Ireland, consort of King Charles I and mother of 2 English kings. Elizabeth Butts Cook, February 4, 1742. May 13, 1835. Elizabeth Cook was the wife and for over 50 years the widow of Captain James Cook. James I, King of England, June 19, 1566. March 27, 1625. James VI of Scotland, alias James I of England, was King of Scotland and the first Stuart King of England from March 24, 1603. James I was the first sovereign to rule both kingdoms of the British Isles simultaneously.